Hi parents, meet the Tiita Kids Couch Toddler Chair, a cloud-like comfy sofa designed just for little ones. This toddler chair features fluffy back support with safe, skin-friendly cotton and high-density sponge for durability and comfort. It arrives vacuum-packed and expands up to 5 times its size within a few days or faster with a steamer. The cover is removable, machine washable, and fade-resistant to keep the chair looking fresh and clean. Perfect for reading, playing, or relaxing, this stylish chair adds vibrant energy to any room. Its compact design makes it an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays that kids will love. Plus, with a 3-year quality guarantee, help is just a message away whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.